Welcome to week 1 of session 5. Oh my gosh, 40 days to build something awesome. This is going to be our celebration of what we've learned this year for both being creative on an individual level and collaborating with our teams. So you'll notice on the page, assignments already loaded up for the next few months. This is a 40-day session, so I have all the stuff kind of in there. And what I want you to do on the first day this week, Monday, is to go in to the assignments and put these into your to-do system, your getting things done system, GTD system, whatever you do to manage projects. All these assignments are in here. You can also go into the grade book and take a look at when things are due and so on and so forth. Everything's loaded up. All the assignments you've done before. So my hope is that when you read through this, it just gives you the specific details and refreshes your memory on what we did. All the resources and materials are in the session folder. So the session 5 folder exists over here, and you'll see all the assignments in order. So you can, again, look at these this way as well. You'll notice we're going to do 2 scrums. Scrum 1 is 15 days. Scrum 2 is 15 days. In fact, a scrum is usually 15 days. So we're starting one right away next week, and that will go for 15 days. Then we're going to run a second one for the next 15 days. So the idea is you put all the things in that you think you can accomplish as a team for those 15 school days, and you try to get to 0 with that. If you're ahead of schedule, you start the next scrum right away. Some teams are going to be so efficient that they might be doing even 3 scrums. The idea is people get stuff done when there's less on their plate, and they're easily focused on breaking the big things down into small things. And the functional word is trivial. If you take all your stuff and break it down so that it is easy to do, where you look at the task and go, well, that's easy. That's what you want to do. And so I want you to practice that and then go through the process of putting those tasks in your Trello board and then Fibonacci numbering them and then building your first scrum. Okay. Now, what's going to be a part of this is that you'll build your backlog with all the things you think you need to do to build your project. And then you're going to take all the things that you think you can do in 15 days as a team. That's your first scrum. Burn those down. Get to 0. Then start your second scrum. Put all the rest of them in there, and you get the idea. All right, so this week, Monday, plan. Get organized. Tonight at 7 p.m., the AIMS competition for all of our classes starts. There is a link in here to the Zoom, so you can join in and take a look, and our judges will be announcing the prompt and answering questions, so it's really exciting. So 7 p.m. Monday the 11th, tune into that. Tuesday, everybody's going to be putting together a pitch, and so that's one of the first assignments we have is you're creating a pitch on Tuesday. Wednesday, we pitch. So how you pitch it, it's up to you. You can pitch it just verbally. You could have some stuff prepared. The blog post we've used for pitching, we're still going to use that as a place for you to work out your ideas, but you do not need to present your blog post. You do have to have it populated with your content of what you're thinking, but you can pitch it however you want. Wednesday, we're going to pitch until we're done. That may spill into Thursday. Thursday, we're going to vote the top ideas. Then we're going to build teams around those ideas. On Thursday, we will then take the top idea getters, take those people into another room and build the teams around those ideas. Then Friday, we find our new seats for our new teams and we get started. So it's a busy week, a lot going on, pretty exciting stuff. I'm excited to see what you do. Have a good one.